Hello dear learners, this is Professor Kavita Brahmankar welcomes you to the online lecture of topic 2.8 Polygons. After watching this video, you will be able to define polygon, list and state the types of polygon, give representation of polygon and list the method to test the polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a figure or shape having number of vertices and edges in such a way that they are forming a closed loop. The line segments which form the boundary of polygon are called edges and the end points of the edges are called vertices. पॉलीगॉन मीन्स ऐसा कोई फिगर कि जिसके साइड्स को अगर हम कनेक्ट करते हैं तो एक क्लोज लूप फॉर्म होता है. दैट फिगर इज कॉल्ड अ पॉलीगॉन. सो अगर हमको सबसे छोटा पॉलीगॉन ड्रॉ करना है, सो वी विल नीड और रिक्वायर मिनिमम 3 साइड्स एंड दैट पॉलीगॉन विल बी द ट्रायंगल. तो सबसे छोटा अगर पॉलीगॉन हमें ड्रॉ करना है तो दैट विल बी ट्रायंगल विच रिक्वायर्स ओनली 3 साइड्स टू ड्रॉ. सो पॉलीगॉन कोई एक ऐसा फिगर है जिसमें n नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस और n नंबर ऑफ एजेस रहने वाले हैं और उन वर्टाइसेस और एजेस को कनेक्ट करने के बाद हम कोई क्लोज्ड फिगर ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं और क्लोज्ड फिगर ड्रॉ होती है. दैट figure or shape is called a polygon. Then the line segments which form the boundary of polygon are called edges. You can see in the figure sides. These are the sides of polygon. So we can say these are the edges of polygons. We can say sides or edges also. Then where two edges or two sides meet to a point, that point is called a vertex. Means जहाँ पे दो लाइंस आते हैं और कनेक्ट होते हैं उस पॉइंट को हम वर्टेक्स बोलते हैं. So these are the various examples or shapes of the polygon and this is how we can represent the parts of polygon. This is the diagonal between this vertex and this vertex. Then interior angle, this is interior angle and this is exterior angle of polygon. So these are the parts of polygon. Basically there are 3 types of polygons. First is convex, second concave and third is complex. So we will see one by one. Convex polygon. If we take any 2 points which are surely inside the polygon, means अगर हमारे पास polygon है and if we are plotting any 2 points or drawing any 2 points on that polygon or inside the polygon and after that we are joining these 2 points by a line, then if all the points of the line lies inside the polygon, then that polygon is called convex polygon. Means convex polygon हम किसको बोलेंगे कि कोई polygon है उसके अंदर हमने randomly कोई भी 2 points लिए हैं और उन 2 points को लाइन ड्रॉ करके हमने अगर ज्वाइन किया है और उस लाइन के ऊपर जितने भी पॉइंट्स है या फिर पिक्सेल्स है वो अगर हमको पॉलीगॉन के अंदर दिख रहे हैं पूरे लाइन के पॉइंट्स, देन वी कैन से इट इज अ कन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन. सो यू कैन सी इन द फिगर दीज आर 2 पॉइंट्स. we have drawn the line and all the points of the line are inside the polygon. That's why it is a convex polygon. Again these points of the line are inside the polygon, means again it is a convex polygon. Again this is the example of convex polygon and this is the example of convex polygon. Next is concave polygon. If we take any 2 points which are surely inside the polygons, join the line between these 2 points, then all the points on that line are not lying inside the polygon, then it is called concave polygon. So, if we take any polygon, then take 2 points inside the polygon. Here A and B, these are the 2 points, those are inside the polygon. Then draw a line joining these 2 points. We have drawn a line, but we are noticing that these points are outside the polygon. These points are outside the polygon. That is why we can say it is a concave polygon. Then again, let us take this example. So this is point A and B. Again we have joining 2 points by drawing a line. Then this portion of the line is outside of the polygons. Means we can say these points of the line are not inside the polygon. Means some points of the line are inside the polygon and some points of the line are outside the polygon. That's why it is a concave polygon. So understood how convex and concave polygon is represented. Then complex polygon. A polygon which is neither convex nor concave is called as complex polygon. ऐसा पॉलीगॉन जो कन्वेक्स भी नहीं है और कॉन्केव भी नहीं है, that type of polygon is called complex polygon. The polygon includes any polygon which intersects itself or overlaps itself. ऐसा पॉलीगॉन जो खुद को ही ओवरलैप करता है और उसके लाइन सेगमेंट एक दूसरे के ऊपर इंटरसेक्ट हो रहे हैं, उस टाइप के शेप को हम कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉलीगॉन बोलते हैं. So see, this is the figure. This triangle is overlapping this line. So this is complex polygon. Again, this line is overlapping this triangle. So this is a complex polygon. And again, this is shape which is overlapping itself. So this is a complex polygon. So these are the basic types of polygons. Then the question is how polygon is represented in memory. So always polygon is represented in memory in the form of display file. So display file में हमेशा polygon के points व vertices edges जो भी हैं उनका information store रहेगा. So consider this is the polygon and it has 5 vertices or 5 edges. So how we are going to display this? So display file has 3 columns or 3 attributes. First is upcode, second is x coordinate value and third is y coordinate value. So हमेशा अपकोड की फर्स्ट एंट्री रहेगी कि हाउ मैनी एजेस आर देयर फॉर अ पॉलीगॉन. आपके पॉलीगॉन में कितने नंबर ऑफ एजेस हैं, वो एंट्री शुड बी द फर्स्ट एंट्री इन द डिस्प्ले फाइल. एंड उस अपकोड पे जो भी एक्स एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू है, दैट विल बी द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन. और नंबर ऑफ एजेस और लाइंस शो करने के लिए जो अपकोड है, उस अपकोड के एक्स और वाई में जो भी एंट्री है, वो एंट्री स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन कंसिडर किया जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस सी, देयर आर 5 एजेस और 5 लाइंस in this polygon. So we have written 5 in the upcode field. Then x and y value is 5, 5. So this A point has x and y value as 5, 5. So this is the starting point of the polygon. Then next is in the upcode field, next upcode is 2. So 2 number is used for line command. 2 number is used for line command. So start from the 5, 5. So we are drawing the line from 5 55275. That's why 2 entry is for line command, and we are drawing a line from 55275. So this is the line. Then again next command is 2. So we are drawing a line from 75 to 93. We are drawing a line from 75 to 93. Then again we are drawing a line from 93 to 71. 93 to 71. In this way we keep continue to drawing a line. Now polygon is a closed shape. So again the last vertex should meet the first vertex. That is why again our last point is phi 1, that is E. So again from phi 1 we are drawing a line to phi 5. Means we are drawing a line from last vertex to first vertex again to form a closed shape. So in this way polygon is drawn on the screen, and the information regarding this polygon is going to represent in the display file. Then one command is used to move command, or it is one number is used for move command. Then point is, can we determine the point is inside or outside the polygon? अगर हमको कोई polygon दिया है तो क्या हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो पॉलीगॉन इनसाइड है या आउटसाइड है पॉलीगॉन की? सो टू टेस्ट दैट देयर आर टू मेथड्स. फर्स्ट इज इवन ऑड मेथड एंड सेकेंड इज वाइंडिंग नंबर मेथड. टुडे वी विल स्टॉप हियर, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we will learn to continue the polygon testing methods. So let us summarize. So today we have studied what is polygon, what are the types of polygon, how polygons are represented, and which methods are used to test the polygon. So in next lecture we will continue the methods to test the polygon. If you are having any queries or you are stucking somewhere, then watch the videos frequently or feel free to call me and reach out to the mentioned email ID. Thank you and keep learning.